E maneira de saber na companhia de utilidade durante a conferência compartilha retornando em uma apresentação titulada Aruba Sustainable Energy Growth Pact and its Challenges. A enfocar a produção e uso de energia sustentável na Aruba. Produção e uso de energia sustentável na Aruba, segundo a companhia de utilidade, nota vai sem seu retorno. Que vai em direção de baixa e dependência de fuel oil para vai completamente em direção de energia limpa.
How do we do that? Formulating the vision is one thing, going with 2 feet on the ground and doing what needs to be done is something different. So we need tools, we need concepts, how to go about this. My two colleagues will focus on supply and demand side in a few minutes, but we need, first of all, the RAS, the reliable, affordable, and sustainable trilemma, we call it, the energy trilemma. Every solution in the sustainability corner needs to have a response on the reliability, and ultimately, we do it for the people of Aruba, and that is the affordability. So with this tool, it's a balancing act between growing, reliability and affordability. The RAS trilemma, we call it. Very important tool.
E outro ponto está aqui com o setor de eletricidade representar o impacto econômico macro, mas redesenhar o modelo comercial de utilidade.
We cannot do business like we were doing it 10, 15 years ago anymore with the utilities companies. We need to redefine the business. Sustainable supply and sustainable demand. That's what it's all about. We need to balance those out with the tools we have, with the concept we have. And that's going to be a challenge on its own, the strategy.
Basar em visão grande de Aruba, primeiro reto corporativo estava para chegar a uma estratégia que quadra que visão em questão.
Basically, it states cleaner, greener, and fuel oil free. And we have it in 3 periods. One period is for consolidation. It means we need to deliver together, we need to commit, we need to prepare the organization. Changes will not happen with the organization just like that. It's a challenge. We're already experiencing it. So we need to change the people inside the organization also.
Transição tecnicamente para ter algum área quita dependência completa de fuel oil.
This graph is a very important graph. It shows the fuel oil price, the red line, has been increasing from 2005 to 2014. 2005 was $36 a barrel. Today, nowadays around 100. Drops a little bit, but the average is around 100. What have we been doing as a company? We have been reducing our consumption while producing more power and water. That's the blue line. So we have been decreasing our consumption from 6,200 to approximately 3,005, 3,007. That's what we did in the last 8 years.
Kuesaki logra uma redução de consumo de fuel oil com 40% e conta com um aumento de 17%, para o qual trata energia limpa. Essa banda de aumento drástico de preço de fuel oil que está alrededor de 170%. Para a companhia de utilidade, essa significa cambio em equipo para produção optimal e manteniendo eficiência.
It's a challenge. It's a new reality. So you have to work different. You have to believe in different things. You cannot continue with the same business model. This is the future, the next 4 years. There are several projects there where we aim to reduce another 1,000 barrels a day by 2018. So we'll reach about 2,500 barrels a day and producing probably a little bit more power and water, because there will be new economics development. At the same time, you will have new users like electrical buses, electrical cars. So it will be a higher demand on our development. This will total to a 60% reduction of fuel oil. Doing the same work with 60% less fuel. This is our aim for the next 4 years.
Eficiência ta queda importante. Ta primeira ko inversão de $120 milhões lo logra spar $45 milhões anual na gasto de fuel oil. Essa é traduzir que de 2 para 3 anos lo gana back e inversão. Atualmente está trabalhando riba projeto de abastecer de energia, que lo hiba na aumento de 40% de uso de energia limpa em vez de 17% de lo qual que tem atual. Também por agregar que o WEP para 2005 lo conta com 100% produção de água via o sistema de saltwater reverse osmosis, que seguro também lo encaminhar com a visão total de sustentabilidade aqui na Aruba.